DJ Mnyasa on the Sunday Drive.
Sundays will no longer be the same.
No longer be the
More
same.
beats, more vibes.
More vibes.
Sundays are for everyone on Ekasi FM.
Brand new Spirit of Praise 9 bambisana na Ayanda Ntanzi ihloko sekoma sithi ke imimoya ngemimoya dlalile lelivile liphelile na ingoma nayo ngasho ngathi ke inzanivukati kulinyeke ingoma noma ke temculo wedinkolo ngoba nemuntu longiphosa ngalokuthide azange sikhona nje kuyidlala yonke yade yaphelela kulelivile liphelile kepha lo mhla ngithi ayichana sigena nje ehlelweni on the Sunday Drive sebenze siqala ngayo ngendlela ke yakhona kanti ke on the line up we have got brand new Andumiso Makubule nayo unengoma nje lenyuane kanti ke sina Sweet Papa naye ke ukhipha ingoma ne platform 1 kanti ke ngilabanye ke laba lokho bengiba interview alomuhla la ehlelweni on the Sunday Drive.
DJ ngibingelele nabasakati labanhle bayo umsakati lomunhle wesiswati Ekasi FM live lemphakathi wasemathulu kusele bonke ba takamuntu asemathulu ninjani siyathemba niphilile lo khuluma na Prophet Percy Getwell Angelic Man wakhona lapha emathulu the founder of Unveil Christ Embassy libandla lenathuma branch emathulu A estenini nasemashonamini but namhlanje ngikho kakhulu lapha DJ ngifuna ukukhuluma nabalaleli emakhaya phasi kwesihloko lesithi don't announce your dream to the wrong audience. Check the audience first before you announce your dream. Prophet Percy lona nangabe ufuna umthandazo I'm available ku Facebook Angelic Man and then number yami it is 079 999 8330 079 999 8330. DJ, God bless you. Nabalele makhaya.
Sibonga mfundisi, sibonga Pastor Percy Getwell. Nangabe nje mhlawumbe ufuna ke umkhuleko noma ke umthandazo, ecaba ke nje ukuthi ke uyivile inombolo njengoba ke kulisonto lo mhla. Sibonge nje ukuthi ke mfundisi abe ke asinikete nje mavi ke enhlanganipho ukuthi ke akusiko konke lekufuna sikuposte 2 December 013 Summer Blaze eMbombela Stadium. 2 December ngisayotshintsha second segment ngalo 4 o'clock sigijima nayo ready. Ungawe t-shirt la ungqoke yabo khona ukuthi ngiphushe nawe nyalo ngogcoka ke i-t-shirt yaka department 10 December at Mbombela Stadium for the 10th annual Mpumalanga Gospel Music Awards. We are within, proudly sponsored by the Department of Culture, Sports and Recreation, of which is a leg of the Mpumalanga Cultural Experience, whereby Mpumalanga artists will benefit. A lot of artists will benefit. Local business people and business people will benefit from Mpumalanga. It's one of the signature events that we have in the province. From 30 November, it's comedy. Mhlaka 1 December Kasi Experience lapha ke kamabuza bese ke mhlaka 2 December Mpumalanga noma ke 013 Summer Blaze. Then Sunday Soul Session Experience mhlaka 1 a lot of events will take place including our carnival experience, including traditional dances and all that. Just support Mpumalanga Cultural Experience. Just follow them on their Facebook page to get updates. Follow the ambassadors, Nobuhle Ndlovu, known as Drama Queen. Follow DJ Stunkero so that you can get more about Mpumalanga Cultural Experience since they are the ambassadors. Follow Kazana King Harris since it's part of the influencers of the cultural experience. Follow most of us to check what we're going regarding the Mpumalanga Cultural Experience. We are so excited to be part of this beautiful and prestigious event or festival later than Mpumalanga that will bring economic spin-off, tourism as well. Go. On the ones and twos, DJ CK. Ngithemba ukuthi ke ngifokodele kakhulu kanti ke isikhathi simela phaka 28 minutes ngembe ukuthi ke iqobe insimbi yesihlanu. Nako ke mhlambe lekufuna nje ukwadi nangabe nje ungilomunye nawe lonesifiso sokuthi ke ujoine ke nango umsakazo eKasi FM 101.1 megahertz. Lana kuthiwa ke ngabe ke unesifiso sekuba ngumfundzi wetindzaba nalelifuba lakho wota eKasi FM ngamhla ka 25 October ngalesithathu ngensimbi yemfica 9 ekseni kuze utofeza iphupho lakho kusho ke management nango umsakazo eKasi FM 101.1 megahertz. Kanti sekuthembisile kusilang ne brand new song lebiya ke kumdumiso kubaka Makubule an ambassador of umngoma njengoba ke nathi ukuthi ke bathi #decade of grace Ndumiso Makubule ukhiphe ke ingoma lesha nje sure ye gospel isihloko sengoma sithi ke ngibonga umusa bekufuna nje ngabe nginaye lathi indlela tekusakata kepha ke uthi cha la khona ke kunemsindo kumatasa kakhulu sembe ukuthi ke ngaleli viki letako siyabe ke sikhuluma ngendlela ke yakhona kanti ke awusita nje nyalo ukuthi ke sigijime izidlela nayo ingoma yakhe lesha sharp brand new Ndumiso Makubule ngibonga umusa inesizayoni nje phakathi ngisembe ukuthi ke uyawithokotelela kubathoza kuvela umsakazo kunaminyasa ewayelesini lihlelo the Sunday Drive kani ke nangabe nje ufuna ungibamba emoyeni noma ke comment ngana ingoma yakongibamba ku 0761679793 0761679793 kani ke
DJ Nyasa on the Sunday Drive.
21 minutes past 5 kumsakado weKasa FM lihlelo the Sunday Drive kunayeke Sweet Papa na ingoma lemnenze kakhulu nje ngicabanga ukuthi labadzala nabevana amaphimbo nje platform 1 bayasho man ukuthi hayi man basikhomputha le that cards Sweet Papa sasake lithuba bikindele kumlaleli ke ekhaya bese uyasitshela ukuthi ngibani Sweet Papa ligama lekutalwa nekuthi ke uvela phi imijongeni ufike kanjani kulomkhakha lona ke wedemculo njengoba ke lo mhla sihleli nawo la indlela tekusakade
nginibingelele nonke balalele emakhaya ngithanda nonke njengoba ngisupporta kunayo ingoma nayo ni download Sweet Papa ngichaphelo surprise wakaMashiko ngihlala enzaweni yase Newscom 1245 kaBhokweni
ngale kaBhokweni
yes bro
uqaleni la ngomkhakha wedemculo Sweet Papa
letemculo siqale kuyincenga nje ngala kubo 2008 ya kuze kufike lesikhathi ukuthi ngikhona nami ngukhuphula amagawosi
kuyangani ulanze specifically bona straight because batsala kunawo labana
I problem but wami ngizingizame ukugijima ngolanza abantu balitula ukuthi ngikhona kusebenza nabo I problem yethu la sima artist la khaya eMbombela na ucala something ula ngathi abakuthatha serious ayibona bafuna uqhamuka soqhamuka etulu so uyehlela ngilabo akukhona kume ukurespecta khona taswaye ngithanda ukuremixa le ngoma isencane lengane ukuthi batokhona kubona ukuthi hayi le ndoda seyiyaphusha nyalo njengoba sicala kusebenzela ngaletulu ngalesa funa siyilanze ingasibalekeli ibuye ekhaya
lokhuluma uVusizitha imanager Sweet Papa for my bookings you can call my number is 072 280 2657 072-280-2657.
DJ Nyasa on the Sunday Drive.
Sundays will no longer be the same.
More
beats, more vibes. Sundays are for everyone on the Kasi FM. The Grind Visuals. #Memories in Motion.